The 2015 Chevrolet Traverse LTZ. Powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This Chevrolet features power door locks, premium sound, and rear spoiler. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include navigation system, Bluetooth wireless, third-row seating, satellite radio, and backup camera. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.